All right, coders, I wanted to just put in place a video that would help you think through what you need to think through to get this next piece of code in place. I'm going to admit it took me 2 tries to get this code figured out because I didn't fully think through everything I needed to think through. So let's just talk a little bit about how this works. So right now we've got this code that we're going to repeat 3 times, move forward, then turn left by 120. So he's going to move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, which means at the end he'll end up exactly where he is, pointed in the same direction. Our artist will do that. So what we want to do is jump forward. We're going to jump forward the same length, and then we want to jump down. But there, if you pull this jump forward out, right, and you're like, oh, can I just make it jump down? No, you can't. You can only go forward or backwards. So that means we're going to need to change how we do that in between triangles. So obviously, we're going to put a jump forward by length. That's perfect because the length is 50. That'll work. But then we're going to need to turn 90 degrees. So we're going to turn and not left. We'll need to turn right if you think about this, because we turn left that way. We want to turn right. That's going to look down. And that turn is going to be a 90-degree turn. Okay. Now, obviously, what I want to do then is jump forward again, right? By length, the same length that we jumped forward last time. Now, if you run it like that, well, let's just do it because this is where I was originally. Okay, so something went wrong there, and you can see we're basically curving these triangles around. We get that sad sound. But if you think about it, all we can see that we're in the right start spot there, but we're not facing the right direction. So what we need to do to fix that is we need to turn the opposite direction the same number of degrees. So we turned right to jump down. Now we need to turn back left. So we're facing the same direction we were when we started this, right? When we started moving. So if we turn back left 90 degrees, then we should be able to get that done. So let's go ahead and run it. And you'll see now we're going to turn and turn. There we go. And those jumps get us where we need to be. And the turns get us back looking the direction we should be looking in. Okay. So you'll use that same kind of code in a couple more lessons, but you'll need to think about how to change that code to make it go the other way. If you have to go up and to the right rather than down and to the left, not going to be that much difference, but you're going to have to flip a couple things around. Okay, guys? Listen, I know you can figure this out. Wanted to walk through some of the thinking process in order to make that happen, but I'm confident in you guys. You can make this happen. All right, guys. Have some good coding, and we'll see you soon.